Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn a short dance break from Raye's Where Is My Husband music video. This is not my choreography. It was choreographed by Maureen. This is just my interpretation. We're going to break down the steps nice and slow, using a lot of repetition and having a lot of fun. Please note that this video is going to be the tutorial only where we break down the steps, so you will not find the music in this video. However, there is another video where I will do it with music, and it's linked down in the video description or up here in this card. So go check out that other video when you're ready to practice with music, or if you just want to see what this dance looks like with music. All right, let's dance and have some fun. Here we go. We only have 2 8 counts of choreography to learn. Short and sweet and fast. It's fast, but we're going to break it down slow. So we're singing, where's my husband? I would like a ring, I would like a ring. So you're pointing to your ring finger on your left hand. That's this whole first part. That's what we're doing. I'm not actually going to touch it, but I'm going to point to it. So left hand is up, right hand is pointing. You're going to go one, kind of like little bounces as you're going to step. So you're going to step left, right, left, right. 4 steps, and as you do that, do 2 little bounces, 1, 2, and then you're going to take it up a little more, and 3, and then you're going to take it out, and 4. So you keep this, you're just pointing at your ring finger, and you're just going step, step, and up, and out. Yeah, and up, and out. Left, right, with your feet. Try it. 5, 6, point to your finger step. Left, right, up, left, out, right. I'm doing like a little kick. I don't know why. You don't have to do that. 5, 6, step on your left. We go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. From here, we're going to keep pointing, and you're going to circle. So we're going to the right. 5, 6. So like you're circling it around your face. 5, 6. And as you do that, I'm going to take my left foot and just touch it down. So pick your knee up and bring it back down. And 5, 6. 5, 6. Yeah? So we're stepping left, right, up, down, then circle, circle. Yeah, I'll count you. Yeah, yeah. 5, 6, step on your left. We go 1, 2, up 3, out 4, circle, 5, 6. Yeah, try one more time. 5, 6, 7, we point on 1, 2, up 3, out 4, then 5, 6. From here, you're gonna go 7. So your hands are coming out of the ring finger. Right hand goes to your shoulder, left hand wraps around your waist. 7. You're gonna bring them down, and you're gonna bring them up. 8. Then bring them up again, and. So we're going, I'll mirror you. Right hand up, left hand down, and then we go touch anywhere on your lower body or your hips, touch up closer on your chest or your shoulders. It doesn't matter, it's for fun, y'all. You don't have to get it exactly right. And then touch more up to your head. So we're going cross, low, middle, high, yeah? 7, and 8, and. It's fast. Just remember the right arm goes up. 7, and 8, and. And you can keep your feet just here. You can start to just kind of bevel whichever foot you want. If you want to strike a little pose, you can do that there. So this was 5, 6. We square off to the front. 7, and 8, and. Yeah? Just try the 7 and 8 and over and over. So we'll go 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. 5, 6, cross, down, medium, high. 5, 6, go, cross, down, middle, high. 5, 6, go, cross, down, middle, high. 5, 6, go, cross, down, middle, high. You want to be able to do it without thinking of it, right? So our first 8 count, we take 4 steps in place, going nowhere. Left, right, we lift it up higher. Left, out, right, we circle twice. 5, 6, then it gets fast. 7, and 8, and. It's all fast, but it gets even faster there. So you want to make sure you cross on 7. It's your right hand. confusing myself. Here we go from the top. 5, 6, step on your left. We go 1, 2, up, 3, out, 4, circle, 5, 6, then cross, down, medium, high. 5, 6, what am I saying? Go 1, 2, up, 3, out, 4, circle, 5, 6, then 7 and 8 and yeah, one more time. 5, 6, 7, you got it. 1, 2, up, 3, out, 4, then 5, 6, 7 and 8 and that's 1 8 count down. Great job. We're already halfway through. If you would like to do that 8 count again, go back, pause it, practice it, whatever you need to do. When you want to learn our second and final 8 count, we're going to do that here. So we just did 7 and 8, and we're going to melt our hands down our face and onto our neck for 3 counts. So this was 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3. And by 3, I'm covering my microphone here, but you want your hand like right where my microphone is. So it's just gonna rest up on your chest somewhere. The right hand's gonna do some other things. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. The left hand's gonna hang out here. You're gonna talk, talk, talk with your right hand 3 times. We're gonna go look to the left, look to the center, look to the right. So that's gonna be talk, talk, talk. It's nice and fast. And the counts are gonna be and, 4, and 4, and 4, and. Yes? So this was and. You melt 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Yeah? So you're here, 5, 6, 7, melt down, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And from here, you're gonna hold 5. If you're doing this with other people, you would take turns flipping your head to the other side, but it's just one of me. So I'm gonna look on 6, hold 5, look 6. Then I'm gonna turn back 7, and I'm gonna have my finger up. So this was and, 4, and you hold 5, you look away 6, you look back and bring your finger up 7. Yeah, you with me? Hanging in there? So our second 8 count, we melt for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. We and 4 and 5. Look 6. Look 7. Yeah, I'm saying all kinds of things. Y'all try one more time. 5, 6, 7. We melt 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. Look 6, 7. We're almost done. On the count of 8. You're just gonna whip back to the front here, and it's almost like you're leaning and then pulling it back, like a little whoop. That's gonna be, and your left hand's still up here on your chest. 8. On the count of 1, you're gonna take your hands like here and do like a little finger shake. 1. And you can finish there, or if you wanna finish with what Raye does in the music video, right after this on 2, or even a little bit before that, you're just gonna leave the left hand up and you're gonna point your right hand forward. And then you're done. Woo, don't worry, we're gonna do it again. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah? Woo, woo. So our second 8 count, you finished 7 and 8 and you melt for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, hold 5, look away 6, look back 7, we swing around 8, we go 1, 2. Yeah, but like 100 times faster, but that's okay, we're gonna go slow again. So we're melting 5, 6, 7, we melt for 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, around 8, then shake, point. I actually touched my mirror. Try it again. 5, 6, 7, we melt on 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, around 8, shake, 2. Yeah, great job. Amazing, amazing job. Let's put our 2 8 counts together super duper slow. So from the top, here's our preview. We're pointing to our ring finger. We're taking 4 steps, left, right. 1, 2, up and down. 3, out. 4, 2 circles with the left foot. 5, 6, then we cross. 7 and 8 and melt. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and hold. 5, look away. 6, look back. 7, take it around. 8, 1.2. Yeah, it's faster. You did it though. Those are our 2 8 counts. Walking through it. I'm gonna count you into it this time. We're still gonna go really slow before we start to speed it up, because that's what's important. We slow down so we can speed up. Here we go. 5, 6, we step on our left. You got it. 1, 2, up. 3, out. 4, circle. 5, 6, cross. 7 and 8, melt. 1, 2, 3, talk. And 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, shake. 1, 2. Yeah, great job. You're doing awesome. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna go a little bit faster. So let's go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Ready? 5, 6, you got it. 5, 6, step on your left. This is 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Circle. 5, 6, cross. 7 and 8, melt. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Look. 6, 7, around. 8, 1, 2. Yeah, great job. You're doing an amazing job. We're gonna go faster. If you're not ready though, go back, watch those slower times as many times as you need to until you feel more confident, and then join me here again for the faster tempo. When you're ready. Are you ready? Okay, we're gonna go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. I believe in you. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, step on your left. Go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Circle. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Melt. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Look. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Yeah. Amazing job. And that was our tutorial. Just short, sweet little dance. 2 8 counts of joy. Get you up and moving. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had fun. Remember, when you're ready to try with music, there's another video that's linked down in the video description. So go check that out when you're ready to practice with music. If you had fun today and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. I had so much fun dancing with you. Please go have an incredible rest of your day. Remember to be kind to yourself and kind to others, and come back and dance again with me in another tutorial. Bye, y'all.